This is your guide to highlighting and contouring with Seint IIID Foundation. First, you're going to start with your contour. This is the ashy brown shade. We are going to add color and add some dimension and definition to the face. You'll want to start by applying underneath your cheekbones, along the hairline around the edges of the face, underneath the jawline, and then blend down the neck. You'll want to apply this to the sides of the nose and underneath the tip of the nose, and then underneath your bottom lip. Next is going to be your highlight. This is what you traditionally think of as foundation. You are going to apply this everywhere where you didn't contour. There's no need to layer these products. You just place each shade where you want it and then blend the edges together, sort of like a paint by numbers on the face. So you'll want to apply your highlight shade under your eyes, the sides of the nose, the jawline and chin, and fan out through the center of your forehead. Then apply a thin line down the center of the bridge of your nose. Blend gently. Step 3 is going to be blush. This will add a nice natural looking flush to the apples of the cheeks, and I like to just use my finger to tap that on the lips as well. You can blend with your brush as you go, or you can use a dampened Perfector sponge to tap around the face to blend each shade into each other into a nice single layer of makeup. And the last step is Illuminator. I like to use my finger to do this because it helps melt the makeup into the skin. You'll apply this to the high points of the face to just really create a beautiful candlelit natural glow. And that's it. You're all done. Your 3D foundation has created a dimensional, natural looking makeup look.